Welcome back to Stepping with Shorty tutorials. Today I'm going to be introducing a series of short videos to help beginners to intermediate drawers. These videos are going to focus around using familiar shapes to build up our drawing skills. Not everyone uses these methods, but it's a good start. These drawings are created with Photoshop for convenience, but the same ideas can be used with pencil and paper. Throughout the video, I will be using different colors to demonstrate the steps I take, as well as a bit of copy and pasting. Thanks for tuning in, leave a comment and a like, and enjoy! For this first tutorial, we are going to be starting off with a rectangular shape for the vase, and I started with a little circle on the side, or half circle on the side for the handle, and a triangle on the top for kind of the spout. Then I copied and pasted it down to the next one, and I put a larger circle and a smaller circle for the pear, and then I started adding in these little green shapes for the grapes. And what I started to do in this kind of fourth little stage here is to refine the lines. So I'm going in with a different color and just going over the lines that I've done and just making things more crisp, kind of shuffling things around a little bit. And this is where I came in and I really refined it, took my eraser tool and just started erasing these lines. And with all of these stages, you're going to act just like you would do with the pencil and paper. Go light until you get it right. Use your eraser, refine things down. And that's exactly what I'm doing in this last stage where I blew it up. I'm just going over all of those lines again, making them nice and dark. And I'm just going through and I'm erasing all of the lighter lines that I did not like or use. So these drawings are not perfect by any means, but they are just to get your shapes down and start thinking about using those familiar shapes in a different way. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.